Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I have some really good budget-friendly Father's Day gift ideas for you. I have dollar store finds and dollar store DIYs, so let's get started. For the first DIY gift, you're going to need some dowels from the dollar store and a variety of chocolate bars, which I also picked up at the dollar store. You're going to peel back the back wrapper and apply some hot glue, and then you're going to attach one of the dowel sticks and kind of hold it in place. Careful not to burn your fingers. And you're going to do this for all of the chocolate bars that you want to use. So this is the first one, and snap. Here are the rest that I already have done. Then you're going to need a container. The dollar store has all kinds of options, but I found this Top Gun, Top Dad mug at the dollar store and I thought it would be perfect. So I stuck in a bit of floral foam and then I started inserting all of my chocolate bars. I used 10, but you can really use as many as you want, and you just kind of arrange them according to color and variety just to make it look as cute as you can. Then you're going to see a few pieces of dowel at the bottom. So what I did was I took little bits of tissue paper and I crunched them up and kind of shoved them in all around the base and kind of in between the chocolate bar flowers to hide all the pieces of the dowels. And that's it for this simple DIY. I think it's a really cute alternative to flowers and perfect for a dad who likes chocolate. Next up, we have another treat idea for Dad using this tin that I found at the dollar store. You can leave it plain, but I used my Cricut to print out some decals. One says making s'more memories, and then I also added the words the bells just to personalize it for us. To finish off my s'mores kit, I added some marshmallows and some cookies, and that's it. I think the next DIY is my favorite. I started out with this inexpensive frame from the dollar store. It's a 5x7 frame, and I took it all apart and I grabbed the glass out of the frame and I used it as a template to cut out a rectangle of contact paper. I peeled off the backing on the contact paper and then I applied it to the glass from the picture frame. I really liked the wood grain of this contact paper. I think it's really masculine and great for a Father's Day gift. Really neutral too. I used a Cricut squeegee to get all the air bubbles out, but you could also use a credit card. Once all the air bubbles were out, I put the picture frame back together. Then, to finish off this little gift, I found these little black clothespins at the dollar store, and I took one of them, applied some hot glue to the back, kind of found the top center of the picture frame, and stuck it on. Now you can easily attach a 4x6 photo and switch it out whenever you like. Now that we have 3 adorable gift ideas, we're going to need a card. So I grabbed a piece of cardstock from a big package of multicolors that I purchased at the dollar store. And I folded my piece in half, and then I folded the top down probably about an inch. Then you're going to use this as a guide to cut the back of the card. You're going to cut the top piece off of the back of the card. So this is the front of the card, and this is going to be the collar of the shirt. So you're going to cut on both sides probably about an inch. It doesn't have to be exact. Then you kind of fold in the collar like I'm showing you here. Then you're going to need a tie for the front of the card. You can use a template that the kids can color, or you can just cut a piece from some pattern cardstock, which is what I did. I attached the tie with some glue. I just used a glue stick, and then I used some white glue to attach a couple of buttons to the top of the collar. And that's it for this simple, super cute Father's Day card. I think it's absolutely adorable. What do you think? And here's another quick peek at all of the adorable Father's Day gifts we made today. Thanks for watching, everybody, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to see future videos like this. See you next time. Bye.